Hey, how you doing? Austin Hilton here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. This is your afternoon update for Doge, letting you know kind of where we're at, everything that's going on. We are down just a little bit. We're currently trading at around 57 cents right now. That actually is down about 4 cents from my morning update. I did a morning update this morning. If you didn't catch that video, you can catch it here on my channel. It is here. So that's what's going on. We're going to also look at the chart, going to look at market cap analysis real quickly, kind of have a dialogue around it, look at a little bit of a breaking news. There's a piece of information coming out from Robinhood having to do with Dogecoin. There's been discussion and speculation that Robinhood, the online trading app, was a major whale out there. We'll talk about whether or not Robinhood admitted to it or if it's them. So we're going to cover all that in this video and just kind of get an overall state of the union. As I mentioned, my name's Austin, and I'm here bringing this content for you just because I want to help you navigate everything going on with crypto, but specifically Dogecoin and some of the other top cryptocurrencies. So please drop a like and subscribe if you haven't already done so to be kept up to date. I'm doing at least 1, 2, 3 Dogecoin videos a day right now because it's absolutely crazy, all of the attention and everything that's going on with Doge. So I want to keep you guys updated. Yeah, what else? Oh, this video is for entertainment purposes only. So with all that said, let's jump over and see what I got for you. Okay, so you can see from this right here, this is market cap analysis, or not analysis, but overall looking at it. Let me refresh this to see where we're at. So Dogecoin right now is at a 75.12 billion. Actually, just went up a little bit. We are down in the last hour, a little bit over 0.5%, and down overall in the last 24 hours, 7.9. Currently trading at around 58 cents approximately. We'll go look at a chart here real quickly and get a real-time update of this. So overall, you know, I think where we're at on Dogecoin is that we've got a little bit of the expected kind of pullback, the expected kind of some profit taking. I think you're getting some people that are absolutely getting a little bit nervous related to owning and holding Dogecoin right now. I'm getting a lot of comments on my channel. Austin, should I buy now, or actually should I sell now because I'm afraid that it's going to drop, etc. I would always tell you, remember that we've gone up about 30 plus cents since Saturday. We've gone up a lot. I do think we're going to have a little bit more run up before Elon Musk goes on SNL on Saturday night. We could absolutely potentially hit $1 there. But I care about you guys. I always want to mention that absolutely protect yourself and know that there could be a pullback. There could be a sell-off. Those are all things that are legitimately possible in this scenario. You've got so much media attention related to Dogecoin, Elon Musk, his SNL appearance. Like for example, if he does not mention Doge in any shape, form, or fashion, or have any kind of skits or anything like that, would we have a major sell-off? Possibly. If he mentioned it, would everybody then go, great, wonderful, he mentioned it, and then go, all right, boom, I'm out of here, and they're going to sell off? I mean, these are all the scenarios that could play out, right? So the long and the short of it is you have to just kind of decide who you are. Me, I'm a long-term Dogecoin holder. I'm in this for the long term. I think there's a tremendous value here, especially these levels, to buy and hold and just kind of ride it out and see where we go. This is a major scenario playing out where I think Dogecoin is evolving as a major cryptocurrency play, and I'll give you some reasons for that here in a moment. Let's look real quickly at the live chart. We're at, again, 57 cents, a little bit, excuse me, down 4 cents, and 7.4 is percentage. If you overall look at the chart, we look fantastic. Everything is good here. Remember, I always talk about this. The red is the 20-day. Purple is the 50-day. We're not anywhere near our 20-day. We're looking good. We're trending up nicely. Got a little bit of a pullback going on here. Doesn't really surprise me. Kind of expected this to happen. We could pull back even a little bit more because remember, we had a we had a massive run up here in the last 4 or 5 days. We had a really massive run up here. Again, remember, it was back around, what is that, April 12th when we were sitting at 9 cents. Just to give you some perspective, always keep perspective in mind is how fast this run-up has happened in literally, what would that be? It literally 3 weeks, give or take, with most of that taking place in the last approximately in the last 2 weeks, give or take, right? But the long and the short of it is just be aware that this is what's happening. Apologize, got something in my throat. Apologize. Keep it updated. I mean, keep be aware of it, right? Just know that all of these scenarios are playing out. My goal is to bring you up to date, let you know what is going on as far as the overall kind of state of the union with this. Now, here, let me talk about this. I mentioned this in all my videos. I think Dogecoin is a long-term winner for really three reasons. Number one, we have the celebrity factor. We have Elon Musk doing his thing, tweets, SNL, all that. Mark Cuban, Guy Fieri, all of these. Snoop Dogg. Meek Mills or Meek Mills. I'm not a huge rap guy, so I think I got that right. I just saw a tweet coming across him that he's going to get in on it because he doesn't want to quote miss the bandwagon. I saw that, but we got a lot of media attention, and we've got thus we have a lot of attention on the currency, on crypto, on Doge, and overall I think that's raising the bar from the standpoint of people just being aware of the overall state of the union with cryptocurrencies. I talked about this in a previous video. Look at this little piece of information right here. Bitcoin will eventually hit $1 million a coin, the CoinDesk editor predicts. Now, that's absolutely insane. That's crazy. That's starting to create a bunch of people that are trying to get into crypto and continue to roll into it. It is just, I think we're entering into an extremely bullish time for all things cryptocurrency, for almost all of the top cryptocurrency plays. I think you're going to see across the board major movement, in all of them. I mean, Ethereum I bought in back when it was around 1,700. That one's up. Obviously, Bitcoin doing its thing. Binance, Dogecoin is actually now turned positive in the last hour when it was just a minute ago. XRP, I've talked about them quite a bit. Just did a video on Cardano. I think they're doing great. And overall, again, these are Litecoin I've covered. I've got videos on Chainlink coming, Polkadot, you name it. I do a lot of videos on XRP, etc. I think overall we've got a tremendous amount of interest in the overall market as crypto market, and I think that it's just going to continue to be a bull run. If you look at most of these 7-day charts for most of these cryptos over here on the right, they're all mostly heading up in these up patterns and dramatically moving up in the last 3 or 4 days. Look at them. They're all kind of moving up. Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Chainlink. Look at this. You've got XRP coming up. You've got Dogecoin coming up. You got a little bit more volatility in Binance. Ethereum just continuing to kind of roll up. It's a little bit more of a sideways pattern, but starting to move up. And then Bitcoin obviously doing its thing as well. Okay, so latest kind of Dogecoin news. I thought I'd point this out. Dogecoin at 78 billion is almost double worth now. Ford and Twitter. There was one I saw a minute ago that was they're valued more than SpaceX. So it's crazy what is going on from a valuation standpoint. I alluded this earlier. $25 billion Dogecoin whale lurks, but Robinhood CEO says we do not have any significant positions in any of the coins we keep. This basically is they had a quote fireside chat today where they were all talking about and they were discussing it, and they have come out point blank and said that they do not hold any Dogecoin assets. They're not holders of it. And there was a lot of speculation that Robinhood was the trading app was a major whale sitting out there. So that is the latest and greatest update. I wanted to bring that to you to let you know kind of what is going on for all things Dogecoin. Before we go, let's take a look at the price. Have we moved up? We moved up a little bit. So yeah, maybe maybe we're heading back up a little bit. And our market cap, we were at 74.7. Yep, so we're still down about a 1.25% in the last hour. We're down 7.27 in the last 24 hours. I'll keep you updated. On another note, just as a little interesting aside, I launched last night at 10:30 Central Time. I launched a midnight update Dogecoin video. I went to bed fully expecting to get about 500 views. I woke up this morning. That video had gotten 8,000 views this morning. I was blown away. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you this because that is a massive amount of video views overnight that happened. I mean, it's crazy. So I think we got a lot. We know Dogecoin is international, it's global, so we had that scenario. I think secondly, we got a lot of people up there who are awake at night, constantly refreshing their screens and looking at the latest and greatest Dogecoin prices and coming onto YouTube looking for information, and they decided to watch my midnight update video. So I may do another one of those in the near future. I was blown away. My point to you is that's how much interest and traffic and stuff is going on right now around Doge. I'll catch you down the road. Go make some money. See you. Bye.